These are the hidden welding hacks that only experienced welders seem to know. 1. How to weld thin square tubes of different sizes together. Professional welders usually start by aligning the smaller tube at a 45-degree angle against the lower edge of the larger tube. They first tack weld the key points to hold everything in place. To prevent deformation, part of the upper edge will stick out. Those side sections are then cut off along the marked lines, leaving only the front-facing section. The remaining front flap is carefully cut and adjusted, then bent downward at a 90-degree angle so it perfectly matches the top edge of the smaller tube. This allows a seamless weld with a clean fit. 2. When directly welding two angle irons together, they often block against each other. A professional trick is to use welding rods to connect reference points on both pieces first. This helps establish a perfect 45-degree guideline. After marking and cutting along this line, both angle irons fit together precisely and can be welded without gaps. 3. When a large metal piece is cracked and difficult to weld, first weld a nut onto the lower plate, then weld a threaded rod assembly onto the upper plate, positioned against the edge of the nut. By turning the threaded rod, the cracked sections are pulled back into alignment. Once the gap is tightly closed, the seam can be welded smoothly, resulting in a strong and stable repair. 4. When welding multiple round steel pipes, direct tack welding can lead to weak joints. A more precise method is to wrap a sheet of paper tightly around the pipe and trim it to match the circumference. Fold it in half, place it back on the pipe, and mark reference points that define the exact diameter. Draw semicircles and tangent lines based on these marks, then cut along the pattern. After unfolding the template and transferring it to the pipe, cut along the outline with a grinder. This creates perfectly matched contact surfaces, allowing for a clean and secure weld.